Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at a Cloudlifter. Now, if you don't know what a Cloudlifter is, basically it's a fancy way to get actually more boost out of your microphone. And I'm actually talking to my through my Audio Technica AT2040, actually using the Cloudlifter. I reduced the modulation on the amp by 50%. It's super clean. I want to show you what it looks like in the box. So inside the box is basically a pamphlet and a little cover, and that's about it. So the pamphlet's very easy, very clean, gives you some information about their products and additional products that they do have available. This is the entry level. I definitely recommend the higher quality on the Cloudlifter. The other items out there, but from my experience, I think this is the best. And if you're gonna do it the best. So this is what it looks like. It's heavy, it's beefy. Inside it has proprietary information. I think it's transistor resistor kind of way they do the information behind it. But it does sound great. It's got some rubber feet in the bottom, as you can see here. The build quality is amazing. It's blue, as you can see here. It has an LXR in and an LXR out, and that's pretty much it. It's a line, so you put it between your microphone and your amplifier or your booster or your preamp, whatever you're using. And that's how I have it set up right now. So I'm actually talking to you on my microphone through the Cloudlifter into my Focusrite 2i2 with 50% gain. That's all it needs, even a little bit less if I wanted to. I'm about 1.5 inches away from my microphone, and you can hear how the quality is. I can hear myself through I'm listening to my headphones, and it sounds pretty good to me. So what do you think how it sounds? Let me know. Leave some comments down below, and we'll do a full comparison video. So this is what it looks like here. It is heavy. It is quality, and you can do it. It has a little the ridge in the bottom. You can actually zip tie it to a microphone if you want to a stand, pretty much any way you want to. Let's get some measurements of this thing here, so you can see it's around 4.5 inches long, as you can see here. So it's not too big. The width of it is around 1.75 inches, approximately, right around there. And the depth is about the same with the feet, if you add the feet in. So that's the dimensions. Circumference of this actual item is not, it's really pretty small, but it really weighs a lot. It's got some quality build.